Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily hard reset the Marshall Miner 3. It's nothing difficult and it's really simple. So what you want to do is this. You want to take them and you want to have both earbuds in a case. Then what you want to do is you just want to hold this bottom button, do you see it? And hold it for like 15 to 20 seconds and you will see what's going to happen. The goal is, okay, wait a second, I'll just go like this. And you want to just hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. And press it and just wait. See, and now it's red. So we know that right now it's being resetted. And now you just factory resetted the Marshall Miner 3. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.